Okay, if you're looking to do some running repairs on your caravan or boat, this is the ultimate repair kit. Comes with 12mm hose. So this is a JG hose. It's a good sort of stiff but flexible hose. When it does come, it's going to come in a coil, but all you need to do, if you do need to really sort of soften it and straighten it out, you can leave it in the sun for a little while. That'll help, but it will straighten out. So you've got 3 meters of each color in there, hot and cold. Within the kit itself, you've got 6 of these straight fittings, which are just joiner to joiner. So if you've got any particular length you want to keep going, just a straight joiner. There's a T-fitting, so a 3-way T-fitting, of course. You've got 3 of those. Elbow fittings. Remember not to put the hose around bends. It's much better to go through a good elbow fitting to keep the pipe as straight as possible. So you've got 4 of those. In here you do have a 5-way. So if you've got one coming from your pump, the pressure inlet to the system, and then you're probably going out to multiple positions or multiple faucets on your caravan or boat, you've got one of those. If you don't need all of those, or if you want to block off any part of the system, it does come with 8 of these the blockers, the hose blockers. So you've got those. A shut-off valve, of course, just to open and close the flow. Of course, it comes with the pipe cutter and your 1-way valve. So it does have a directional arrow on there, but just so you don't get the backflow, you've got a 1-way valve as well. So that complete kit should get you out of any real dramas if you're doing some running repairs. More parts are available if you needed other parts. Don't be afraid to get in touch. But so that's the ultimate caravan and boat water repair kit.